remainder is this. In particular, if the divisor is x minus a, the remainder is this. Now, this one looks very, very complicated. You don't know what I'm talking about. Okay? But I'm going to tell you, when they give you this type of question, it is a gift from heaven. I'm going to tell you how to do it. Is that understood? There's no need to do long division. Because when students see this type of question, straight away they go into long division. No need. I will show you both long division and remainder theorem. You see which one faster. Okay? Alright, let's take a look. I'm going straight into example 9. Then I'm giving you some more quotes. Okay? Now all of you look at example 9. Don't take it down. Listen to me first. Please. Okay, please. Given that fx is equals to 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1, find the remainder when fx is divided by x minus 2 is divided by 2x minus 1. Understand? Okay, all of you look up. This is what remainder theorem says. Hello? Everybody know that fx is 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1, right? When it is divided by x minus 2, I sub in f2 because you make it 0. So this is the remainder. Don't need to divide. Understand? What makes it 0? When x is what? 2. So you sub in 2. This will be 4. 2 cubed minus 5 cubed plus 1, right? Now, 4 times 8, 32, right? 22 minus 10 plus 1. Answer? 23. Correct now? Can see it now? Straight away, remainder 23. You got, once you see this, you got to do this. Everyone, when I teach remainder theorem, they like to do this, which is ridiculous. After you know remainder theorem, why should you go and do this? What if this one is in fraction? How are you going to do it? You understand now? Give you a better way you do it. Understand? Okay, if I do it this way, 4x cubed minus 2x squared, right? Sorry, minus what? 8x squared, can see? Don't copy. This one is ridiculous one. This one becomes 8x squared minus 5x, correct? I plus sorry, not plus, what's this? Minus 5x, right? Sorry, no, what's that? I'm correct, it's been plus 8x, right? So I have 8x squared minus 16x. Minus 5 plus 16 give me 11x, right? Plus 1. Then I plus 11 here. 11x minus 22, correct? Now, this is 0, what is 1 plus 22? 23. Can you see I'm getting it in one step? Do you understand? So, when they say find the remainder, do not use long division. Please use remainder theorem. Okay, now, then I want to explore further. What if I say it is divided by x minus 1? I sub in what? 1. Very good. What if it is divided by x plus 1? I sub in what? Negative 1. Are you clear? Can see or cannot see? Okay, now, then look at part 2. You know, don't talk, I'm very irritated when people talk. Okay. Now, what will make this 0 when x is what? Half. Can you see when x is half? But you don't go and present them out there, no. It's for your own knowledge. You can write by the side in pencil, understand? You cannot learn what you think with what you are presenting. Okay, so remainder will be f half. Can you see? Then key calculator, all key now. Understand? And that will be the remainder. Don't do long division. Long division is served for cubic polynomial data. Understand? Okay? Alright. Then I want to ask one more question. Because some people very confused on don't know what I'm saying. Just now that long winded line, right, on page 76 on top, right? Can you look at on top that one? Actually, it means what I'm saying lah. Understand? It's just that the algebra form everybody is frightened. Understand or? Okay. On top, one more time, What if now I like my expression with gx? Also can, right? If I divide by x minus 3, how to find remainder? G1. G3, right? Because 3 will make it 0. Is that clear? Okay. What if it's x plus 3? What's the remainder? G minus 3. Because you'll make it 0. Understand? What if I divide by 3x plus 1?
Negative 1 over 3.
Negative 1 over 3. So can you see what I'm talking about? Remainder is just like that, you'll find. Okay? Now, if there is a remainder, if the remainder is not 0, that means that particular, if I divide by this, the remainder is not 0, this is not a factor. But when I divide by this, the remainder is 0, then this is a factor. This is extension to factor theorem. You understand? They are linked together one. Understand or? But today I'm just concentrating on remainder theorem. Understand? I repeat if you divide by something there's a remainder, that one is not a factor. If you divide by something, the remainder is 0, then that thing is a remainder. Understand? And that one we can use some cheating methods to get your answer. Don't worry. If I want to present nicely, people know you never cheat. Understand? Okay. So are you okay with example 9? Okay, let's look at example 10 now. All of you look at example 10. All of you look at example 10 Okay. The expression 4x squared minus px plus 7, where p is a constant, leave a remainder of negative 2 when it is divided by x minus 3. Find the value of p. Now it's the other way around. They give you the remainder, correct? And all of you look at me and look at the bottom. Now when it's divided by this, first of all, they never say anything. So the first thing to do is let fx be this. You cannot suka fx, suka no fx, then you expect me to know your fx come up from where? You must let that thing be fx. Is that clear? Okay. Remainder, when divided by this, I must sub in what? Tell me.
3.
I sub in what? 3. Remainder f3 must be negative 2, right? The question say what? No, I say what? Correct? Okay. Of course, remainder is to tell you only lah. This one don't need to write already lah. So, f3 will be 4 3 squared minus p3 plus 7. This is what? 12? Not 12. Okay. 36 minus 3p plus 7, right? So what's this? Minus 3p plus 43, right? Do you agree that this one must be equal to negative 2? The question say what now? So, minus 3p plus 43 is negative 2. Negative 45, what's my p?
Negative 15. Wait, no, 15.
15, P will be 15. Are you clear now? Are you clear now? Can or cannot? Okay. So, finding remainder, use remainder theorem. Okay? Alright, next, let's look at example 11. Then after that, I'm going on to factor theorem. Alright? Can you please don't stop? I can hear 255 can? The expression 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2 and divided by x plus 1. Show that a plus b is equal to negative 6. What do you mean by leaves the same remainder? The remainders are the same. Do you agree? Now all of you look at that. First of all, I let fx be this. Correct? All of you look up. This is where it's important. Do you agree that remainder when it's divided by x minus 2 is f2? And the remainder when it's divided by x plus 1 is what? f1. f1. Negative 1. These two must be equal. Why equal? The question says equal, huh? Never read question, of course you don't know. Understand? Now I'm going to submit f2. Okay. All is a calculator. Now what's this? Don't look at me, my face got no calculator. You can do better stuff, of course, very good. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, what about this one? Negative 2, okay. Minus a plus a minus b plus c, right? Correct. I shift everything to one side, okay? Okay, I'm going to simplify now. 4a minus a, what do we have? You have any mistake or not? Please double check. You have any mistake? I made a mistake already. You better double check. Minus 2 plus a minus b plus c is correct. Did I make a mistake? Correct, huh? Okay, what's here? 3a. 2b plus b. This one. Plus 3b. This one is 0, right? Correct, huh? What is 16 plus 2 plus 18 equals to 0, correct? So I have 3a plus 3b plus 18 equals to 0. That means 3a plus 3b equals to negative 18. This is an equation. I can divide 2 out by what? 3. So a plus b equals to negative 6. Sure. Are you clear? Can you see I just use remainder theorem, I can do it already. Is everybody clear? Okay, now, one thing you better take note. When I say find remainder, you don't put in too long division. I will throw the paper out the window, I tell you. You must use what? Remainder theorem. Okay? Alright, next, we move on to factor theorem. Can we look at the last part there? The box, sorry. The factor theorem states that if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial fx, then fa must be 0, right? The remainder must be 0. Okay, conversely, if fa is 0, then x minus a is a factor of fx. Okay, this also means that fx is divisible by x minus a. Understand? Okay, now, let me just tell you, if I have a function fx, okay, by x minus 2, and you realize that f2 is 0, what can you say? X minus 2 is a factor. Understand? What if you divide by x minus 2, you realize that this is 1. Then is x minus 2 still a factor? The answer is no. Do you understand here? Yes or no? Can, huh? It is only a factor when the remainder is what? 0. Okay? Alright, I'm going on to example 12, then example 13. Okay? I will not give any homework yet. Alright? But you must go home and revise through what I said today. Remainder and factor theorem. Is that understood? Okay, let's take a look at the example 12. Determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of fx. First one. If it's divided by x minus 1, I saw it to be 1, right? Correct, class? Okay, all of you look, 1 squared minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1. 1, this is 0, 1 minus 1, so this is 0, right? This is 0, so is x minus 1 a factor? Say x minus 1 is a factor. Understand? As what? Remainder is what? 0. Understand? Okay, let's do another one. It's also divided by x minus 1. Okay, so I sub in what? F what? 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Do you agree it's 7? Okay, is this 0? No. So this is not 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor, yes. As remainder is not 0. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? I am just talking about how to find remainder, and remainder is 0, that guy is a factor, that's all. Everybody alright? Okay, now next, let's look at example 13. Maybe I can still give some homework because of the time. Okay, example 13, this will be the last one. Because there's no way out. You cannot say I want to sell my homework. Then after that you will have a lot. Do you understand? This is A maths, you know. This is not kindergarten maths. Where you have to match one line, you just match, draw a line match. Okay? The expression ax cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 6 is exactly divisible by this. Find the value of a and of b. Now this one, it needs a further step. And I need you to pay attention. Joshua, can you look at me instead of talking to Bob? Now, if I say a number is divisible by 8, do you agree that it must be divisible by 4 and 2 also? Yes. Can you see or not? I think this is very obvious, Can you see? If a number is divisible by 8, then this number is also divisible by 4 and 2, right? Everybody clear? Okay, now this one cannot divide because I cannot apply remainder theorem. I want to factorize this. Do you agree with that? Can you see it? So this one gives me what? X minus 3, x plus 1. Can you see? So, from just now what I say, I always try and do the parallel so it's easier for you. If you don't appreciate it, it also doesn't matter. So, if it's divisible by this, do you agree it's divisible by this and this also? Yeah. Correct. Divisible by means the remainder is what? 0. Okay. And first of all, let fx be this. minus 1 must be 0, right? Correct? Yes or no? If this is a vector, then this and these are also vectors, right? Now I'm going to plug these 3 in. Equals to 0, because it's a vector. Because you know why I must stress this? Because some people will say, then never equal to 0, then it can solve equation. I don't understand why. Understand? Now, so this one is 27a. What's this? Then quickly give me the answer. Minus 72 plus 3b plus 6 equals to 0, right? 27a plus 3b equals to 72 minus 6. So 27a plus 3b equals to what's 72 minus 6? 66. Okay? Now I'm going to simplify that. If I divide 4 by 3, what do I get? 9a plus b equals to 22. Can you see it? Now I'm forming my first equation. 9a plus b equals to 22. First equation. Can you see it? They want you to find out. Look at the question. Must not do already, don't know what you're doing. You find out. Value of a and b. Now, I also know n negative 1 is 0. So I'll form another equation. Alright? Okay? Negative b plus 6 equals to 0. Negative b equals to 2, right? So I will have negative a, negative b equals to 2. Equation 1, equation 2, correct? Now, can you see if I add, I can get rid of b. Starting the plus. Okay? If I have 1 plus 2, I will get 8a equals to 24. A is what? 3. Substitute a equals to 3 into, let's say I start into 2. Minus 3 minus b equals to 2. Minus b equals to 5. B will be negative 5. Can you see it? You know what I'm talking about here? So a is 3 and b is negative 5. Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Okay, so what am I talking about here? Oh, class, listen up. If I want to find the remainder, we just make sure we substitute the x that will make it 0. Understand now? Then you can find the remainder. If there's a remainder, then that one is not a vector. If it's 0, then the one is a vector. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Can understand? Can understand? And this one is a bit further. If this is a vector, then this one will also be vectors. Everybody okay? Now, because I will only see you on Wednesday, I cannot book you for more. If not Wednesday, you have a lot. Understand? Okay, so I'm going to write this set of work on the board. What number is it on the content page now? Now I write what number? Now I write 9. Now I write 9, is it? Okay, good. I didn't write for the because I was not around. Okay, sorry. So the one was not date on Friday, right? So it's 7. So let's put 4 by 1 first. Identities. Beta and vector theorem. Okay, I want on who's scared? Okay? The one in the notebook, not so urgent. The one on the foolscap, please do it properly. Is that clear? But if you do not know how to present, then you look at the way I present in the video. Do not anyhow write, please. Okay? Now please stop the video.